Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you the Lenovo 14.1 most stable ROM. Before that, please press the subscribe button. It is very smooth and fast, looking good. I'm gonna tell you this ROM using since last 2 months and I never find any bug. I use this ROM as a daily driver. It is very fast ROM, and there is no bug found. It is very stable. This ROM is based on lineage OS 14.1 version and Android Nougat 7.1 version. And now we talk about the battery. The battery backup is very well. It's improved. It's lot of improvement is there. The battery backup is better than the MIUI 9 and the Lenovo stock ROMs. It's very improved. It's very impressive. Now we talk about the features. The features are the privacy. The privacy guard is there, one of the best features. Protected apps, you can protect your apps by clicking them, or you can lock it by using just like put the app in the folder and click on that lock button, set the password, and you can easily lock that folder. Just see, now you can open these apps, or you can unlock. It's very best features. And one more, there is a split screen. You may know about that. This also working well. This feature is also working well, very fine, very fast features are there. And one more thing is there, by sliding on the notification bar, you can adjust your brightness. That's a very good features. Here is a battery saver, which is also good working. Hotspot and Wi-Fi is working well. There is no bug found yet. It's working fine. So I recommended you to flash this ROM. Hope you like this video. Please press the subscribe button.